Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Vinton Local and Long Distance. Movers near me. As we have expertise in long-distance handling shifts, our movers are trained to easily tackle delicate to heavyweight items. And make your products a priority, and use specific tools to handle your edgy, heavyweight, and delicate items. We provide insurance on products that are being shifted through us. In case of any wear and tear, the damage will be borne by us without any extra charges. And you will be compensated for the damage that has been done during your transit. In addition, as long-distance shifts require permits, we have been granted legal permits and licenses from the local federal association. So, it's easy for us to cross city or country lines and complete a long-distance or international shift. Even if you are moving local, you should always hire a professional moving firm like 3 Movers. Our firm not only helps in shifting but also provides packing, unpacking, and resettling of your belongings. That allows you enough time to explore the area you have shifted to newly. Plus, our moving firm provides same-day moving for local moves. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Vinton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.